the big screen. Do you prefer to watch films at home or at the cinema? We can get comfortable, put our feet up and relax at home. But there's something special about a trip to the cinema. People first saw films on the big screen over 100 years ago, before anyone had TVs in their houses. The first place people paid to watch a film was probably Paris, France. The Lumière brothers, Auguste and Louis, made a machine, the Cinématographe, which could record and show films. There were other machines like this in Europe and the USA at the time, but none of them worked as well as the Cinématographe. However, Auguste and Louis didn't think it was good enough. It was their father, Antoine Lumière, who organised the first shows in Paris in December 1895. At first, not many people were interested, but soon over 2,500 people a day were coming to watch films on the Cinématographe. By 1896, it was popular in the USA and the UK too. At first, films were only 2 or 3 minutes long, so they showed about 10 at once, one after the other. The films showed everyday life, important events and funny moments. Soon, films began to get longer and have a story and actors in them. They didn't have any sound, however. Instead of having music in the film, someone played the piano next to the screen. There was no speaking either, until the jazz singer in 1927, when actor Al Jolson said the first words in cinema history. The first films were black and white too. In 1906, British filmmakers managed to add colour. However, it was difficult, and people kept making black and white films until Technicolor found a new way to add colour in the 1930s. They first used it in 1939 in Gone with the Wind and the Wizard of Oz. The second film surprised audiences because it started in black and white. When the main character Dorothy arrives in the land of Oz, the film suddenly has colour. It was the first time most people saw a film in colour, and they thought it was amazing. People call the 1930s and 1940s the golden age of cinema. But of course, people have made many, many great films since then. Cinemas have changed a lot. For example, there are now places where the audience wears special glasses to watch the film in 3D. The way people make films has changed a lot too. 100 years ago, everything you saw in a film really happened. But these days, filmmakers can add a lot with computers. Just think about the special effects in superhero films.